this video, we will talk about color. Color plays a very important role in our lives as well as in designing. Every color has its meaning and it signifies something. To understand color, we should study about color wheel, color schemes and its meaning. Let's study about color wheel. It consists of 12 colors which are divided into 3 parts. Primary colors which are naturally available. Secondary colors which are obtained by mixing 2 primary colors. And tertiary colors which are obtained by mixing secondary colors. Orange color is formed by mixing red and yellow. Green color is formed by mixing blue and yellow. And purple color is formed by mixing red and blue. Red-orange is obtained by mixing red and orange. Yellow-orange is obtained by mixing yellow and orange. Yellow-green is obtained by mixing green and yellow. Green-blue is obtained by mixing blue and green. Blue and purple is obtained by mixing purple and blue. Red-purple is obtained by mixing purple and red. Now let's study color schemes. Complementary. Complementary colors are the opposite color on the color wheel. Split complementary colors are those which are adjacent to the complement color. Triads are those colors which make triangle on the color wheel. Quads are those colors which make quadrants on the color wheel. Analogous colors are the colors that are adjacent to each other on the color wheel. Warm colors are those colors on the color wheel which give a feeling of warmth. Cool colors are those colors which are soothing to eyes. Monochromatic color scheme deals with one color, and that one color means hue. And when white is added to that hue, it forms tints. And when black is added to hue, it forms shades. And when grey is added to hue, it forms tones. Every color has its own meaning. Now let's study about colors and its significance. Hi, I am red. I am the color of extremes. I am the color of passionate love, violence, danger, anger and adventure. I am the color of fire and blood. I am a very religious color. Hi, I am yellow. I am the most luminous of all the colors of the spectrum. I am the color of happiness, creativity, sunflower beans, lemons, egg yolks and courage. I am the color of sunshine and spring. Hi, I am blue. I am the color of water, but rarely found in fruits and vegetables. I am the color of intensity and warmth of red. I symbolizes coolness, authority, peace, spirituality and dignity. Hi, I am green. I am the color of Mother Earth and beautiful nature. I am the color of vegetables which have good health qualities. I am the holy color of every religion. Hi, I am orange. I am a color as well as a citrus fruit. It symbolizes energy, health, adventure, cheer, vitality and excitement. I am a sacred color and auspicious color of Hinduism. Hi, I am purple. I am the color of spiritual and supernatural powers. I am very rare and powerful. I symbolize nobility, luxury, magic, mystery, creativity, royalty and dignity. Hi, I am pink. I am a combination of red and white, a hue that can be described as a tint. I symbolize calmness and I am soothing to eyes. I am a girl's best friend. I am the color of sunset, fruits and some parts of the skin. Hi, I am brown. I am a color of Mother Earth. I am the color of wood, which is a part of nature. I symbolize strength and stability. I am the color of purity, reliability, comfort, simplicity and endurance. Hi, I am white. I am just the presence of light. I symbolize peace, simplicity. I am the color of death and sadness. I am also the color of winter and snow. Hi, I am black. I am absence of light. I symbolize sadness, mystery, fear, evil, death and anger. It is used as a symbol of royalty and classy. Now let's study about color modes. There are two major color modes, RGB and CMYK. R stands for red, G stands for green and B stands for blue. C stands for cyan, M for magenta, Y for yellow and K for black. RGB is associated with digital appearance. CMYK is associated with printing. Pantone PMS is associated with color code that states the specific shade of that color. People often get confused between RGB and CMYK and Pantone. See, RGB is used when you design something digitally and further use it digitally. But when you design for printing, it should be in CMYK. RGB colors are the colors of light. When you mix red, yellow and blue, you will find you get cyan, magenta, yellow and black in between. And when you mix cyan, magenta and yellow, you will get the RGB palette. PMS or Pantone matching system. Pantone colors determine the exact number of shade of that particular hue or color. These are the standard code for the color shade for a particular color. You can use it anywhere, internationally, nationally. There are types of Pantone colors like coated and uncoated. When you are printing something shiny, you should coated colors, and when you are working on matte or not shiny surface, you should use the uncoated one.